filled a parallel plate of capacitor has a capacitance of 1.50 picofarad, capacitance of 1.5 picofarad. If the separation between the plate is doubled by wax, okay, and is inserted between them, the capacitance increases to 3.3 picofarad. Okay, compute the dielectric constant. Okay, so C1 is given 1.5 picofarad. Okay, pico means 10 to the power of minus 12 farad. Okay, and C2 is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 12 farad it is given. Now what is the value formula for the C is equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r into S divided by D is there. This is C1. Okay, therefore this will be right values, or epsilon r is equal to, okay, it is in air. No, air means the epsilon r is equal to 1, therefore C1 value is 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus, okay, 12 equal to epsilon naught into epsilon r is 1 into S divided by D. Call this equation number 1. The same to C2 is equal to epsilon naught epsilon r by S by D is there. No? So 3 is equal to, C2 is 3 is equal to, okay, epsilon naught epsilon r into S divided by, so it is doubled, the dielectric distance is doubled, that is D to here D is equal to 2D, doubled of that 2D. Okay, so this is equation number 2. Comparing these two equations, what we will write, or divide equation 2 by equation 3. Equation 2 is what here, 1.2 is 3, okay, divided by what is this, 1.5. okay, this is 10 to the power minus 12, minus 12 get cancelled, equal to so epsilon naught epsilon r S divided by 2D into, it will go up, D divided by epsilon naught epsilon r into S, this D epsilon r is 1, no, here epsilon naught it will get cancelled. Okay, so S get cancelled, what it remains, epsilon r is remains. Okay, so 3 by 1.5 is equal to, okay, 3 by epsilon r is equal to, how much is there, S get cancelled, therefore it is 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2 nothing but, so 2 epsilon r by 2, 2 means this is 6. Okay, equal to epsilon r divided by 1.5. okay, if 1.5 into 6 means 8 to the 4, therefore epsilon r is equal to 4. 1.5 into 4 is 6 only, therefore epsilon r is equal to 4. This is the dielectric constant when it is doubled. Okay, right. The same, the parallel two plates. Okay, the parallel two plates capacitors has an area of 7.45 into 10 to the power minus 4 meter square, and its plates are separated by the distance is 2.45 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter across, with a potential of voltage 10 volt. Okay, is supplied. If the material is dielectric constant, that is 6 constant, so it introduced between the plates, determine the capacitance of the charge stored in each of the plate and the dielectric displacement, okay, of the and polarization. So the area is given, distance is given, the voltage is given, dielectric constant is given, and you determine the density, charge, and the capacitance, these and polarization. So you will take the simple formula. We know that C is equal to epsilon naught epsilon r into S divided by D is there. All value is there. Epsilon naught is 8.85 is there, epsilon r is 6 is there, S is equal to what, 7.45 is there, the area of surface area of that is 45 into 10 to the power minus 410 is there, divided by D is equal to 2.45. Substitute these value, we will get the C value is equal to 16.147 into 10 to the power minus 12 farad. Okay, this is the value is there. Value. Now the charge is separated by or stored, Q is equal to C by V there. C value, you know, 16.147 into 10 to the minus 12, voltage is 10, then this will be the 16.147 into 10 to the power of minus 12 is minus 11 coulomb. Okay, now what is the polarization? Polarization formula P is equal to is given by epsilon naught into epsilon r minus 1 into E electric field is there, the formula. So we know that, okay, what is the E is equal to V by D, okay. So therefore P is equal to epsilon naught epsilon r minus 1, this is V divided by D. Substitute values, epsilon naught is there, epsilon r is there, epsilon naught is the value 8.85, epsilon r is the 6 value is given, okay, minus 1, V is given 10, D is given 2.1. Substitute all values, you will get 1.806 into 10 to the power of minus 7, 10 to the power of minus 7, okay, yeah, 7 coulombs per meter square, okay, coulombs per meter square. Now another one is there, displacement, okay, displacement D is can be, the displacement is given by epsilon naught into epsilon r into E, okay. So write epsilon naught into epsilon r, okay, is E can be written as V by D, okay. Epsilon naught be 8.85 is there, epsilon r is 6 is there, V is 10, D is 2 point something is there. Substitute all these things, 167 into 10 to the power of minus 7 centimeter per coulomb per meter square. This is the displacement of that topic.